Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. Today, we talk about something unusual. We tread on a path unknown. Our stories for today are associated with a beautiful, serene island called Lakshadweep. The Lakshadweep Islands, with their turquoise water, palm fringed beaches, and tranquil lagoons, are often associated with beauty and serenity. However, like many coastal regions steeped in history, they also carry tales that veer into the mystery and haunting. Here are few eerie and lesser known stories tied to these islands. The story for today is called The Ghost of Minicoy Lighthouse. The Minicoy Lighthouse, built in 1885, is an iconic structure on the Minicoy Island. Local legends speak of mysterious figure often wandering the lighthouse at night. Some say it is the spirit of the keeper who died tragically, while others believe it is a sailor lost at sea whose soul returned to the island. Lighthouse workers have reported unexplained noises, flickering lights, and chilling presence in the late hours. Let us delve deep into the story. Minicoy Island, often called the jewel of the Lakshadweep, is a place of unparalleled beauty, with turquoise waters, swaying palms, and soft white sands. Yet among the locals, the towering Minicoy Lighthouse has always been shrouded in the tales of the supernatural. Built in 1885 by the British, the lighthouse stood as a beacon for sailors navigating treacherous waters. It witnessed countless storms, shipwrecks, and lives lost at sea. But the most chilling tale was that of a young woman named Leela, whose restless spirit was said to haunt its spiral staircase and lantern room. The legend. Leela was a daughter of a British officer stationed on the island during the colonial era. She was known for her ethereal beauty, often seen wandering the shores at sunset. Locals whispered of a love affair with a sailor from a passing merchant ship. They would meet in a secret beneath shadow of the lighthouse, vying to elope one moonlit night. But fate had other plans. The night they were to escape, a violent storm rolled in, dragging the sailor's ship into abyss. Heartbroken, Leela climbed to the top of the lighthouse, hoping to catch one last glimpse of him. Witnesses claimed they saw her standing at the edge of the lantern room as the lightning illuminated the sky. While the storm passed, she was gone. Her body was never found, but a shawl was discovered wrapped around the lighthouse's railing, fluttering in the morning breeze. The haunting. Since the tragic night, strange occurrences began, plaguing the lighthouse. Keepers reported hearing footsteps echoing up the spiral staircase, only to find no one there. The lantern room's light would flicker unexpectedly, even on calm nights, as if someone seen was pacing with them. One keeper, an old man named Ibrahim, claimed to have seen her. He described a translucent figure draped in a flowing white shawl, standing at the edge of the lighthouse's balcony, staring out to the sea. She never spoke, but seemed to be searching for something or someone. Tourists often brave to climb the lighthouse often recount a chilling sensation near the top, as though an unseen force were watching them. Some hear whispers carried by the sea breeze, a mournful song in a language they cannot understand. The twist. In 2023, a group of researchers visited Minicoy Lighthouse to investigate its paranormal reputation. Equipped with cameras, thermal sensors, and audio equipment, they spent a night in the lighthouse. At midnight, the temperature in the lantern room plummeted. The team captured a faint ghostly image on the cameras. A young woman in shawl, her eyes filled with longing, gazing towards the horizon. One of the researchers, a historian, later uncovered an old logbook from the lighthouse. In it was a cryptic entry from that night of the storm. The light went out thrice, as though a hand interfered, and then silence. May her soul find peace. Some believe Layla lingers because she is still waiting for a lover's ship to return. Others say she guards the lighthouse, ensuring no one else meets a tragic end in those waters. To this day, Minicoy Lighthouse stands tall, a monument of love, loss, and unexplainable. And if you find yourself there in the sunset, listen closely. You just might hear a sigh, carried by the ocean breeze. We hope you like this story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.